Recently, I was asked to design a phone case necklace. I didn't want to make it in metal as I thought it'd be too heavy and cumbersome to wear. The more I considered the design, the more I thought about my friend Kingsley's work. He creates beautiful handmade bags and accessories in leather. I love collaborating with other artists and craftsmen, so this was the perfect opportunity for me to call on Kingsley for his expertise. He already produces a phone case and he has a really good pattern for it, so I'm going to keep it simple and basically just customise his existing design.
My name is Kingsley Walters and I'm a designer maker. I'm currently mainly working with leather, canvas, and I'm introducing homeware to also my brand. The leather that we will be using for the current project that I'm doing with Carl is, I chose to use the vegetable tan Italian 2.5. That will age so well and it gets softer as it gets wear and wear and wear. We're going with the veg tan, we're going with black on the phone holders. Now because it's I think it's like either silver or white gold with the diamonds around it. And that marriage well because the color also with the black and the silvery or white gold with the diamond, it makes it stand out a bit more. I like working with Carl actually because we're often on the same page, and he's such an easy guy to work with. We've collaborated once before, and he had the idea for like a belt buckle, which I then make the belt strap for. So I know how he works, and we kind of have this similar aesthetic in terms of like our common interest in just like the way we dress, like the stuff that we like. So it's quite easy. great thing with leather, it tells a lot of stories, you know, whether that be the story of the animal, like you might see a scratch on it or maybe a stretch mark. It just tells the story of the animal. You know, if you can get an animal that's like a leather from Morocco, which the animal's got more scratches, you get like Italian leather or British leather, because the animals has a better life, there's less scratch and stuff, it's more perfected. However, I like a bit of both, because I also like the character that scratch can tell, the stretch mark can tell.